The island, everybody kept saying, that's so big, that's so big. Don't be afraid to go big. I'm Dorothy O'Reilly.
I'm Zach.
And you're at the O'Reilly residence. I went to school for architecture, so having the background of design, I was going to help design the home of our dreams. So we could have a home that fit all of our children and accommodate grandchildren, but yet be a home that had the ability to flex. We wanted to incorporate traditional farmhouse, but yet keep it still modern. Big kitchen. Big kitchen.
Wood floors.
Wood floors, the wood staircase, the pantry, the quilted bathroom floor. The twist of modern would be the master bath. I remember telling Amanda I wanted this, like, you just walk in, you see tile all the way, and it just wraps up the wall. And then you see this white tub and these black accent wall. I just remember really having a distinct vision for that. The island, everybody kept saying, that's so big, that's so big. And it's big, but don't be afraid to go big. If you feel like you need the room, like, embrace that decision and just own it from the get-go, because that changed the whole design of our kitchen, was designing around the island. I wanted a spot on the other side for our daughter to have the ability to, like, sit down as I'm making any meal and to be able to talk to me and have, like, open conversations. Or if, like, one of our other kids stop over, it's a spot to land and they can just talk while we're all, like, in the space. I like the matte look. That was the first thing that drew me into the Dekton, was the matte and the ability to, like, set anything hot on it. We are notorious for just taking a hot pan and putting it right on the counter. We love the Home Collective because it offered us the knowledge, the smooth, the ease, and we had people that were able to do the logistics for us without us always having to worry about it. I was able to come in and find the one-stop shop. The whole team, like from Amanda to Rick, it was just like a peace of mind. I knew I could pick up the phone and I could call and somebody was taking care of it. Good or bad, it was always like somebody was there. Or somebody had my ear to, like, calm me down. Amanda walked me off the ledge a lot. I think just the ability to have that person by my side through such a big project was huge.